How to toggle a value? What is the most efficient way to toggle between 0 and 1?
Solution using NOT. If the values are Boolean, the fastest approach is to use the NOT operator. Solution using subtraction. If the values are numerical, then subtraction from the total is a simple and fast way to toggle values. Solution using XOR. If the value toggles between 0 and 1, you can use a bitwise exclusive OR. The technique generalizes to any pair of integers. The XOR by one step is replaced with the XOR by pre-computed constant. This idea was submitted by Nick Coughlin and later generalized by @ZXXC. Solution using a dictionary. If the values are hashable, you can use a dictionary. Solution using a conditional expression. The slowest way is to use a conditional expression. Solution using iter-tools. If you have more than two values, the iter-tools.cycle function provides a generic fast way to toggle between successive values. Note that in Python 3 the next method was changed to _next_, so the first line would be now written as toggle equals iter-tools.cycle red, green, blue, _next_.
I always use. If P is a Boolean, this switches between true and false.
Here's another non-intuitive way. The beauty is you can cycle over multiple values and not just two, 0, 1. For two values, toggling. For multiple values, say 4. I didn't expect the solution to be almost the fastest too.
The NOT operator negates your variable, converting it into a Boolean if it isn't already one. You can probably use 1 and 0 interchangeably with true and false, so just negate it. But if you are using two arbitrary values, use an inline if.
Let's